Hey y'all, say y'all, it's your boy, Obinna. Alright, today I'll be showing you how to make your own milky, mochi milkshake. And it's all your ingredients. But before we get to that, joke of the week. Alright, if you think that was funny, please hit the like button if you didn't. Alright, back to our business. This is what you need. Alright, we're gonna begin by pouring a glass of milk into the blender. Alright, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar.
Meanwhile,
Alright, for your vanilla essence, measure this. You can use the lid of it. That's your 1 spoon. Next, we're gonna need 10 cubes of ice.
We're waiting.
Alright, last but not least, 6 to 8 Oreos. I'm just gonna put 6 and just make the mochi cream come out, see what I'm saying.
a few moments later.
Alright, it's time to blend this. Yeah, just blend it. Alright, for 2 minutes. Hallelujah! Hey, one more thing, don't forget your milkshake carb. Or you can use any if you don't have this. Alright. Dang. Enjoy. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button for more videos. Brought to you by Obinna.